Hello learners, in this session we will discuss different categories of the questions, how to deal with those categories of the questions in detail. So let's discuss first graph, line graph, which is very important. And in the graph, make sure guys you have to compare the things by using the suitable vocabularies which I have given you. So before that, just want to show you the question. You can go through the question. Here the question is. Based on the question, let's discuss the answer in detail. So you can see that this is a line graph. In the line graph, we have mentioned different countries and the proportion of that. Now you can see that guys, in the graph part, basically you need to divide it into three parts. The first part, introduction part, then you have overview of that, and then specific features. Make sure in the introduction part, what you have to do that, you have to just write down, you have to paraphrase the question. It means you can simply convert into synonyms and just do not copy the question, but yes, you can change the question a little bit, like I have done here. The line graph illustrates the regional household recycling rates in the UK, France and Germany from 2005 to 2015. Make sure you indicate this year, that's very important. Also the name of the countries. Now after that we'll be coming to the overview. You don't have to explain everything. You'll give general over the maximum fluctuation that you can see in the graph, what is happening overall in the line graph that you have to explain. So here I have written overall. The recycling rates of the UK and Germany showed a steady but significant rise over the period, while the percentage of recycled waste in the France experienced a downward trend. You can also see here I have highlighted with the red one. These are the vocabularies which you have to keep into your mind while writing. Then third part, after that you'll be coming to the specific features. You will be indicating the overall trend, the comparison. If all the important years, you can if there is a comparison, you can have the comparison, or you can explain it further in detail like I have done it. In 2005, the recycling rates of the UK and Germany were nearly 35% and 25% respectively. Germany's rate increased sharply throughout the period, exceeding France's rate in 2009 and reaching almost 60% in the end of the period. In the meantime, the percentage of recycled waste in the UK grew to 40% in 2007. I'm using the past tense because it's talking about 2000 back date. That's the reason we have to convert that. And then it remained steady until 2009. During 2009 to 2011, it experienced a rapid surge to more than 50% and continued with a gradual increase to 60% in 2015. In the early 2005, the recycling rate of the France, 50% I have highlighted, was the highest among these three countries. However, it dramatically declined to 30% in 2013. Then there was a growth of 10% in 2015, but France's recycling rate was the lowest in the end of the period. So what I have done in this one, in the specific features, I have explained each and every part of that by using the vocab like sharply, in the meantime, rapid surge, dramatically, declined. These words are very important to keep in your consideration while writing the graph part, guys.